Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Kenzo eyeglasses model KZ50096F in color code 002. The color of the frame is matte black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a butterfly shape. On its temple, you'll find the Kenzo logo in red. It says Paris on its temple tip. For both sides. The Kenzo logo is also engraved in its bottom right lens. And these glasses are also made out of titanium. On its inner left temple, you'll find the serial number, the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Kenzo dust bag and a Kenzo box. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.